Postcard Media Conference and Jury Contract Signing. It is a milestone for Unleash this event and the exciting journey ahead in celebrating excellence in pet lifestyle. At Unleash, we are dedicated to how we connect, care for, and celebrate our beloved pets through innovation and community. The postcard is more than just an initiative. It is a recognition of the moments that define pet companionship. And today, we take another step forward in shaping its future. This conference marks an important collaboration as we officially bring together an esteemed jury united in shared passion for setting new standards in pet care and lifestyle. Through this contract signing, we solidify our commitment in ensuring fairness, credibility, and recognition for those making a difference in the pet industry and community. To all our juries and media partners, we deeply appreciate your support, involvement, and belief in this vision. Together, we are shaping something truly meaningful. Thank you all for being here, and we look forward to an engaging and short filmmaking ahead. Together, let's unleash the love.
Isip kasi kami kung paano mabuo yung malaking community dito sa Pilipinas ng mga pet owners kasi nakita namin kalat-kalat. Tapos gusto na ako po ay isang writer ng GMA. Writer po ako ng Bubblegum at Pipito Manaloto. So may passion din ako sa paggawa ng content, paggawa ng pelikula. At nung na-employ po ako as a marketing manager for Unleash, ito yung na-propose ko at na-approve agad. At naisip ko, why not tap yung ating mga esteemed directors for the juries ng ating Unleash postcard. Si Direk Joseph po at si Direk Arvin, si Direk Cady, at mga friends ko po from the Ricky Lee Workshop, batch 17 kami. Tapos si Direk Joey naman po ay mentor ko sa Cinemalaya pitching under GMA. So nung kinontak ko siya, actually isang message ko lang po kay Direk, pwede ko bang mag-jury sa aming Unleash Postcard Short Film Festival? Yes, agad! Yung tapos tinanong ko, kinakabahan ako nung kinachat ko si Direk Direk, magkano po ba? Sabi niya, walang bayad. Mag-donate ka lang sa post. Ay, doon ako natuwa kasi parang double target yun na we really tend to donate the proceeds or whatever we come up with this film festival sa aming mga partner institutions like PAWS, Philippine Animal Welfare Society, and Potion Project, and now si Direk Joseph po with Haribon Foundation. Diba?
Yes po, thank you po. I'd like to get the insights of our three jury. Ano po ang...
And to come up with this kind of idea, parang yung dalawang passion ko sa buhay, like, yun nga, pag-alata ng mga pusa at maggumawa ng pelikula, sobrang kumonect ko siya. So, nung niyaya talaga ako ni Mark, hindi na ako nagtalang isip na pumayag. So, ayun pa.
Si Direk Joey, ano ba mga alaga mo, Direk?
Malapit ako sa mga hayop. Marami na akong minakal na hayop. No, in reality, I have 3 dogs.
Three dogs.
And, yung mga yaya ko, I don't know kung ilang pusa meron kami sa bahay. Ang pangalan ng mga aso, gusto mo itanong sa
yes, Direk.
Yung isang babae, pangalan Charlotte.
Wow.
In honor of the daughter of William and Kate, okay? Pero yung dalawang lalaki, which is one is a Labrador and the other is a Pitbull, ang pangalan niya ay si Jungkook at si Jimin.
K-pop.
General ako ng BTS Army.
Inspired by K-pop.
Yeah. No. I really love animals and I've been a firm supporter of PAWS. Dati nag-ampo na ako ng mga Aspens na dahil mga Askal sila, ang pangalan nila ay si James at si Phil, okay? Like the young husbands, okay? Kasi mga Askal sila, di ba? So, yun. I really love animals. At saka, you know naman, Mel, the more you know about men, the more you love your dogs.
And first time po nagkaroon dito sa Philippines na to, ano po masasabi niyo?
Ano yun?
First time nito in the Philippines na nagkaroon ng...
Well, yeah, I mean, I would support anything that celebrates your relationship with your pets. Because I think I'm against animal cruelty. Okay? I was one of the advocates against animal cruelty. And any opportunity for me to be able to support our fur babies, I will do that. Because ang daming beses na sa buhay ko na yung mga alaga ko, my pets, my fur babies, were the ones who gave me comfort and gave me unconditional love. Joseph?
Joseph?
On mine po, we have a dog who just passed away late last year. So we're thinking of getting a new one. And then currently po kasi I work for Haribon. So a big part of our work is about saving mga species, animal species. So I think it's a good parang exercise for me na ganito to have this kind of parang work, no, na parang related pa rin in a way sa work. I think this is very unique, no? Yung idea ng pet filmmaking. Like you said, parang wala pang ganito. No? So siguro for me, at the end of the day, yung basic pa rin or yung principles pa rin talaga ng filmmaking, yung quality pa rin talaga. No? Like, at the end of the day, titignan ko pa rin lahat. Diba maganda ba yung sound, nice ba yung acting, okay ba yung score. So for me, overall, the cinematic, kumbaga, ano pa rin talaga, execution, kumbaga for me.
Si Direk Arvin muna. I-finale natin si Direk Joe.
Ako, excited ako sa meron bang performance of,
May mga category.
cute! So yun, sobrang na-excite ako kung paano magiging creative yung mga filmmakers na paano nila gagamitin yung mga pets. So, parang mas din ako natutuwa kasi sobrang unique ng festival. So, yun.
Direk Joey, ano nilook forward mo?
No, kasi for every pet lover may kwento ka. Okay, every pet lover has a kwento about the animal, okay, that is closest to his heart. And yun ang hinahanap ko, the originality and the sincerity, okay, of the story that is being told. Like in every relationship, whether human or with animals, there is a narrative there. Of course, meron yan yung technical quality, di ba? Wala kong masabihin ko, nagkahanap ako ng Love DS version ng isang animal story. For 9 hours. No, but I'm looking for something which is sincere and heartwarming. Kasi, alam bang Mel, nung namatay yung aso pa, mas umagulgul ako kaysa nung namatay ang kapatid ko. I mean, ano ba? No, totoo talaga. Okay, kasi ganun yung intimacy na meron ka sa aso mo or sa alaga mo Because sometimes your relationship, because of your unconditional love. And I'm looking for that.
Ilan taong po naging alaga yung namatay ng aso?
He was about 14 years old. At saka ang masaklap nung namatay siya, I was not around because I was on location. Okay, so masakit yun you never get to see them. Because I always feel when they die, they want you by their side. And I feel na I let her down. Okay, so ayun, tama na.
Thank you po.
Parang ikaw manakit, mang-abuso, nang walang kalaban-laban sa'yo, nagpapatunay lamang na duwag ka. Okay? Dahil kung manghahamong ka ng anumang nilalang na kayang gantihan ka o kayang tapatan ka. Now, for you to, mambuhos ka ng kumukulong tubig sa isang pusa. At nangyari na sa akin yun yung may neighbor ako na nilason yung mga pusa ko. Okay? Dahil daw mabaho at
pagalan niya.
I find that to be the most that's inhuman.
Yes.
Inhuman. Kasi ang pinatus mo ay wala ka lang. I'm glad that it's a crime. I'm glad that POS files cases against people who do this to animals. There was a time na may aspirin kami nung bata ako na sinaksak sa leeg dahil gusto lutuin yung aso. Hindi makatarungan yon. Alam ko may mga kultura na kumakain ng aso at pumapatay ng aso at may mga bahagi ng ating bayan na tanggap yan. I just find that to be so unfair. Okay? Whether it is culture loaded or not, I think it's a crime. And I'm glad that there are people like an example, an actress, Carla Abellana, who is a very strong advocate against animal cruelty. I greatly appreciate people who are like that. And I'm the first person to call whoever does that to any animal na walang laban sa kanya, na it's cowardice and he's not only a criminal, he is mas hayop siya kaysa sa hayop na nilagay niya.
Direk, did you file a case dun sa naglason?
Hindi kasi aamin yun eh. Hindi aamin yun eh. Pero alam namin kung sino dahil alam namin na may isang neighbor na magko-complain lagi na sa mga pusa, hindi ba? At saka pusa naman, di mo naman kinukulong, hindi mo naman tinatali ang pusa, hindi ba? But I know that the three of our cats were poisoned because they came back to the house to die. Okay, so
Bumabalik talaga sila, no?
dalawa yun eh. May pusa kami na ang pangalan ay si Patrice. Patrice talaga. Nung namamatay siya, umalis siya. Because iba nature ang pusa, pag malapit na siya mamatay, ayaw niya makita ng may-ari na naghihirap siya. Ganong ka-sensitive ang pusa sa pagmamahal niya sa kanyang amo. Okay, ayaw niya makita ng amo niya na naghihirap siya. Ayaw niya masaktan yung amo niya. Kaya nagtatago siya para mamatay.
Yan. Kila Derek Harvey saka Derek Joseph.
Like Derek said, no, parang it's a crime, and ako personally parang hindi sana talaga maparusahan yung mga ganun kasi may study rin na parang people who are cruel sa animals, malaki yung tendency na cruel din sila sa fellow human beings, no? So, maganda na sa animals, if they had committed a crime sa animals, mapaparusahan talaga, no? And ako rin na sa work ko ngayon sa Haribon, we have a lot of advocacy campaigns, no, about naman mga wildlife species, protecting animals, mga saving mga endangered species. So, para for me, one reason why I love our work kasi parang nandun din talaga yung puso ko sa nature, sa animals. So,
Actually, may napabarangay na kami kasi dinakaw yung pusa. Pero ang galing kasi yung pusa namin, like after a week nakabalik. Tapos parang tinignan pa namin sa CCTV ng village namin kung sino yung kumuha. Parang kinonfront lang, tapos nagkaroon namin sa barangay. So, as in, like, besides sa post, yung mga gano'n na parang anything na syempre against their will. Kasi para sa akin may karapatan ng mga hayop, parang tao, may karapatan din sila. So, sobrang supportive ko sa gano'n. So, again, like Derek Joe said, it's totally a crime if syempre magkakaroon tayo ng yung mga tao na pagmamalupitan yung mga hayop. And sobrang supportive ko sa mga ganun. So,
Yan, gusto ko na i-congratulate yung jury kasi ang perfect yung jury para dito sa